Hello, in this video we are going to cover IP subnetting. But before moving on in IP subnetting, first we are going to see what is subnetting. A subnetwork or subnet is a logical, visible subdivision of an IP network. The practice of dividing a network into two or more networks is called subnetting. Subnetting allows you to create multiple logical networks that exist within a single class A, B or C network. This is a chart showing the address ranges of class A, B, C, D and E. Now let's look at the example of class C subnetting. Here we have an IP address of 192.168.10.1 having CIDR value as 26. By looking at the IP address, the starting first offlet 192 indicates it is a class C. This because 192 comes under the range of the class C. A class C contains 3 networks and 1 host octet. We can identify the subnet mask by putting all ones in a network field and zeros in a host field. So we get 255.255.255.192. We can identify the subnets by number of ones in the host field, that is equal to 4 subnet. We can identify the host per subnet by 2 raised to the power number of zeros in the host field minus 2 is equal to 62 hosts per subnets. We subtracted 2 because one is a gross class address and one is a network address. And we can identify the valid subnet by subtracting subnet mask from 256. That is 256 minus 192 is equal to 64. As you can see in this table, there are 4 subnets. Chart shows the class C subnetting. Its network bit, subnet mask, bit borrows, subnets, host per subnet. Now let's move on toward the class B subnetting. Here our IP address is 172.168.0.0 having CIDR value as 8172 indicate that it lies in the range of class B, and the class B has 2 network octets and 2 hosts. So the subnet mask is equal to 255.255.192.0 and the subnet is equal to 4 subnets. Host per subnet is equal to 16382 hosts per subnet, and we have 64 valid subnet and 64 blocks. As you can see the chart, it indicates there are 4 subnets. The starting address, last address, network address and broadcast address are shown. Now you can see here is a summarized chart of the class B subnetting.